Alright guys, so it's the morning of the competition. It's about 7 in the morning, and I'm just about to be heading out, and I've got my backpack all packed up, bringing a bunch of puzzles to sell, as well as all of my mains. So, yeah, this competition is pretty exciting, so we'll see you guys when we're on the road. Guys, well, I'm walking down one of the side streets here, and I think I parked in the right place. I'm gonna ask, but either way, like, we're here, so let's head on inside. Alright guys, so I just left the competition, and as you could tell, my solves were pretty bad in general. I had quite a few hiccups, and that DNF on Pyraminx really pissed me off. But other than that, I had a lot of fun. I met a couple of fellow cubing YouTubers, notably DSCubers. So big shout out to him for helping me out with Pyraminx. Definitely gonna look up that method that he mentioned. But other than that, I sold a few puzzles, I traded a few puzzles, and I left with, I think, pretty much the same amount of puzzles that I came with. Because I wound up buying 3, and I sold 3, and I traded 2. So other than that, I had a lot of fun, and I'm definitely looking forward to the next competition. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, subscribe for more cubing content. Other than that, keep on cubing, guys. See you in the next video.